Hey, good morning. Today is Thursday. Our first class is chemistry. Didn't really have time to shave, but we gotta go.
I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, it's gonna be like you.
Done with chem lecture, going to get some lunch at Chipotle. Get off to bio lecture. Thursdays are my favorite because after this class, I'm done for the day. Only done with bio lecture. We're gonna go to Walgreens, get some shampoo.
Stop looking at me with those eyes, like I could disappear and you wouldn't care why. Now I'm messed up.
Look at that black smoke. It has to come from a factory. That looks so bad. I don't know if you can see or not, but it says carpool permit required, $100 fine. Don't have a carpool permit, but I do know that they give out tickets around 9 a.m. so it's like 6 p.m. so I got a while. I don't know if I told you guys about my obsession with helicopters or drones, but in like 2 years time I got my first little helicopter, and right after that I broke it. Then I bought another one, then I broke it, then I bought another one, and I have like 8 or 10 different broken helicopters in my house. And I have like 3 just in this dorm. Alright, so here are my 2 helicopters and the drone. This one, I think it still turns on and everything, but it's broken, so we're gonna try to fix this one. This thing, it looks fine, but doesn't really fly straight. It like topples over every time it goes up. This one is completely fine. So tonight we're gonna try to fix both of these. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on. Let me see, I think that's how you turn it on, and see if it flies. Oh! Oh shoot, what's happening? Alright, so the problem is the motor on the bottom is not working on this one. So we're gonna have to fix the second motor or the first motor on there. Alright, so we took out the screws to the housing right here. So there's the battery, all the terminals, there's the motor. So we see a lot of hair, so we're gonna clear all that out and see if it helps a little. Alright, so first thing we did, took out the housing or the casing. Then we came here and turned it on. And we get the same problem. That motor doesn't work. So I saw an exposed wire. Here's the blue one. So let's see if we touch it. In theory it should work. Oh shit, it does. Alright, so we found the problem. It's this blue wire that came unconnected or tore off. So all we gotta do is glue it back together, and it should work fine. Alright, so we taped it together, and let's see if it actually works. Ah, it doesn't. Alright, we're gonna retry that again. I think we fixed it. We taped it down. Let's turn it on, see if they work. Whoa, it's working. Let's see if it will actually take off without cutting itself off. Alright. We're gonna let it fly. Spinning a little, but that's because the housing is off. So other than that, it should be fine. Let's see if we can make it spin less. Oh, it's out of charge. First helicopter successful. We gotta go fix the drone now. Drone hasn't been flying. I mean, it takes off and then it just falls to the floor. So we'll see if that happens. If it does, we'll try to fix it. Whoa. Ow. We tried fixing it, it's not working, it's broken. Not much planned for tonight. Hope you enjoyed my little helicopter flying videos and stuff. Hope you had a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.